This is the solution to your homework for Tuesday, page 327, exercise 19.4, question 5 and 6. In question 5, first of all, you have to get the volume of the sphere in terms of pi. The volume of the sphere is I wrote out the formula first, 4 over 3 pi r cubed. The radius is 18. And that gave me 7,776 pi centimetres cubed. The sphere was melted down and formed into a cylinder. And the information you have about the cylinder is that the radius was 36. So there's the volume of the sphere. And this is the volume of the cylinder, pi r squared h, but you don't know h. I have pi on both sides there, so I divide both sides by pi. And that gives me, then I divide both sides by 1296, and that gives me 6 centimetres of a height. The next question is question 6. A solid cylinder is of radius 8 and height 12 is made of wax. It's melted down and reformed into a sphere. Therefore, the two volumes are the same, the volume of the sphere and the volume of the cylinder. So volume of the cylinder equals the volume of the sphere. We know about the cylinder that it has a radius of 8 and a height of 12. We don't know anything about the sphere, but I wrote down the formula anyway. That turns out to be 768 pi. And I have a 3 underneath the line there. So I multiply this side and this side by 3. Multiply by 3 here. If I multiply this side by 3, it cancels out that 3. I don't want 4 pi r cubed. I want to get r cubed on its own now as my next step. So divide both sides by 4, gets rid of that, and it's divided in over there. So essentially, I had 4 over 3 pi there. What I ultimately did was turned it upside down there. So the 4 over 3 became 3 over 4. But you can do it out the long way like I did if you like. And divide both sides by pi. So 576 is equal to r cubed. The cubed root of 576 is equal to r, and the cubed root of 576 turns out to be 8.32. The cubed root on your calculator is there. The next question is question 12. In question 12, you have a large cylindrical container. You're given the dimensions of it and you need to find the volume of it. And then you find the volume of each of these little cups and you see how many little cups fit into that volume there. I have it done here. So the volume of the large cylinder is pi r squared h. The radius is 14. Be careful because you are given the diameter in the question. So that gives you this answer. The volume of a cup is pi r squared h because that's cylindrical as well. Again, be careful not to put in the diameter. And then how many cups were in the large container? Well, it's the large container volume divided by the volume of the little one, which gave you 93 1/3 cups.